Okay, hello, it's October 5th, so 5 is with me. And here we are at the National Zoo. And we're gonna have a whole lesson on arithmetic here with all these tables and chairs. 5 says, yes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chairs, but they're not all the same type. So if we want them to be alike in style, we have this style. We have 1, 2, 3, only 4 chairs with arms. And we have this other chair without arms. So 5's gonna hang out there. If arms matter in your chairs, you would not want to count this chair. We have 4 chairs with arms. We have 5 chairs, so you could have 5 people sitting. And we have 1 chair without arms. It's very important, remember, in all the lessons, that you know what the units are before you count. Okay? Let's look at some more tables over here. Oh, look at this one. If we don't care about the type of chair, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 chairs. 2 have arms and 2 do not have arms. If you want to know how many chairs have arms, we have 2. If you want to know how many chairs without arms, you have 2. If you want to know how many chairs we have all together, there are 4 chairs. Now, as one of the typical mistakes in terms of understanding what the question is, let's suppose I take 1 chair away. How many chairs do I have? Well, a lot of children and adults even will say, I have 1 chair because I took it away. And that is absolutely a response to the question that is perceived by the person you're asking. The person asking the question thinks you're thinking about what's left, and there would be 3. But you need to be careful how the question is actually being interpreted by the person you're asking. If I have 4 chairs and I take 1 away, I have the one that's away here, and there are 3 remaining. The actual question matters. That's a big thing for parents and teachers to think about, and is oftentimes misunderstood by the learner. Now over here, how many chairs do we have? Well, we have 2 chairs, 1 without arms, 1 with arm. And over here we have 2 more. Both of them have arms. 1, 2 with arms. And over here is a set of chairs, 4, all with 2 arms. So if we have 4 chairs, each with 2 arms, how many arms do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is incredibly important for every learner to understand how multiplication works and figure it out themselves. Memorizing tables won't tell them how it works. Visually looking at examples is a much more long-term method for them to remember and understand. So we have 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Number 5, because it's October 5. Okay? All right, that's a little arithmetic lesson for today, October 5, here in the National Zoo. These are actually the way the tables were when we arrived. We don't change, we look at the real world, and that's how we learn about math, through patterns in the world. Bye-bye, see you later.